Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily apply the rainbow edge effect in CapCut Mobile. So this effect will have your body will have a rainbow body outline, and here I'm going to show you how. First, go to effect and then choose a body effect, and here click on the stroke category. So in here find this rainbow edge, so click on the effect. Okay, so this is the preview, but you can always adjust more. You can adjust the intensity, the atmosphere. I'm going to go with 100, the size of the rainbow outline, and also rotate and the glow. Okay, when you're done, click on the check icon, and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.